Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox in Scratch. To begin, understand you're building a Roblox-inspired experience, not the actual platform. Start by creating a player sprite with basic movement controls, like using arrow keys to move left and right and the spacebar to jump. Focus on smooth animation and collision detection with the ground. This foundational step is crucial for any interactive game, setting the stage for more complex features later on. Next, let's implement building mechanics. You can create a block sprite and use clones to allow players to place multiple instances. Design a simple inventory system where players select blocks. When a player clicks, a clone appears at the mouse position, snapping to a grid for neat placement. Ensure you have a way to remove blocks too, perhaps by right-clicking. This gives players creative control over their environment. Now, let's enhance player avatars and interaction. Design several costume sprites for different body parts or accessories. Create a simple menu where players can click buttons to change their avatar's appearance, like switching hats or shirts. You could also add basic chat bubbles or emote animations. These features make the game more personal and foster a sense of community among players, even in a simple Scratch environment. Finally, expand your game with minigames and diverse worlds. You can create separate backdrops or even entirely new sprites for different game modes, like an obstacle course or a simple collect the coins challenge. Design distinct areas for players to explore, perhaps connected by portals. Consider adding a virtual currency system where players earn coins for completing tasks, which they can then spend on new items or avatar customizations. This adds depth and replayability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.